Money is a tool. It's a resource to accomplish whatever you wish. In order to attract money, you have to understand the language of money. You can't have a short-term viewpoint. You can't borrow at a high interest and save at a low interest. It just doesn't work that way. It's just not how the language of money speaks. And making sure that you aren't paying more in taxes than you're required to is also one of the first steps to build wealth. It's called plugging the leaks. So in this video, I'm just going to give you 3 quick things that you need to be cognizant of so you don't get stuck with an unexpected tax bill. The first one is, did your marital status change? Your filing status affects your tax bracket, which determines the tax rate that you'll have to pay. It also impacts the deductions and credits you're eligible for. If you change your filing status, this could sometimes result in you owing more taxes. For example, let's say you were married and your wife had no income, but now you're divorced. Although you previously filed as a married joint filer, thus in a lower tax bracket, and now you're single and have the same job, so you may be thinking everything is the same, but you'll be filing as a single taxpayer, and that's a higher tax bracket, so you're going to be paying more taxes. This could lead to a big tax bill if you didn't make these adjustments earlier on in the year and pay more taxes. Number 2, did you get a new job or change positions within the same company? It is important to make changes to the W-4 if you had an additional child, or if you got married, or if you got divorced, but many people forget to update their W-4, and the result is they get stuck with a big tax bill at the end of the year. I can see how somebody that's working the same job and may have got a little bit of a raise or may have got a different promotion, how they can easily forget to update that W-4. Just remember, whenever you make more money or whenever you get a windfall of cash or an income stream that you didn't have before, there's always going to be the possibility that you're going to pay more taxes on that money, and you have to account for that. And it's important that you don't get surprised by this. I know many people that are staking cryptocurrencies or farming or minting NFTs and making tremendous amounts of profit. You have to remember that just because you may be on a decentralized exchange thinking that the United States government is not watching so you don't have to pay taxes on those profits, you're mistaken. As an American citizen, all capital gains you make, whether it's real estate or crypto, they're still taxable. Remember, nothing is secret on the blockchain. And finally, the last bit of advice for my entrepreneurs, especially if you are making self-employment income, don't forget to pay your estimated quarterly taxes. This is going to save you from having a huge tax bill at the end of the year. I am Donahue Baker. Remember, don't waste your time. What you do every single day is your legacy. If you found some value in this video, please like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.